Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the top 10 healthy foods that will transform your diet into a vibrant, delicious, and nutritious masterpiece. Let's get started. First up, we've got the avocado. This creamy green dreamboat is loaded with monounsaturated fat, fantastic for your heart and cholesterol levels. Spread them on toast, toss them in salads, whip up some guacamole. The possibilities are endless. A sprinkle of chili flakes and a squeeze of lime juice can really wake up the flavor. Overripe avocados? They make incredible smoothies and desserts. Next, we're introducing the superfood of grains quinoa. This ancient grain is a complete protein, packed with fiber, iron, and magnesium. Use it as a base for colorful salads, stuff it in bell peppers for a vegetarian delight, or even make a hearty breakfast porridge. Trust me, with the right touch, it can be absolutely delicious. Ditch that bland, boring rice and give quinoa a try. Let's talk blueberries, shall we? These little blue gems are packed with antioxidants that can help protect your brain from aging. Toss them in your morning yogurt, blend them into smoothies, or bake them into muffins for a healthy treat. And if you're feeling adventurous, try making a blueberry sauce for your pancakes. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. Listen up, you Muppets! It's time to embrace the king of greens, kale. This leafy green is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Massaging kale with a bit of olive oil and lemon juice can help break down its tough texture and mellow out its bitterness. Once you've given it a good massage, you can enjoy it in salads, soups, or even smoothies. Kale is basically a nutritional powerhouse. Let's talk about salmon, shall we? This oily fish is packed with omega-3 fatty acids, essential for heart health, brain function, and reducing inflammation. Look for salmon with bright, shiny skin and firm flesh. A little bit of pink in the middle is perfectly fine. Serve it with a squeeze of lemon juice and some roasted vegetables for a complete and healthy meal. Next up, we've got sweet potatoes, a root vegetable that's as versatile as it is delicious. These vibrant tubers are not only a feast for the eyes, but also a powerhouse of nutrition. These beauties are loaded with vitamin A, essential for good vision and a healthy immune system. The rich orange color is a clear indicator of their high beta-carotene content. Roast them until they're caramelized and tender, bringing out their natural sweetness and enhancing their flavor. Toss them in salads for a touch of sweetness, adding a delightful contrast to greens and other vegetables. Or even spiralize them for a healthy alternative to pasta, perfect for those looking to cut down on carbs without sacrificing taste. Plus, they're a good source of fiber, which can help regulate your digestion and keep you feeling full longer. Treat them with the respect they deserve, and they'll reward you with both flavor and nutrition. Whether roasted, tossed in a salad, or spiralized, sweet potatoes are a versatile addition to any meal. Listen up, you lot! We're about to delve into the world of Greek yogurt, a creamy, tangy delight packed with protein and probiotics. This versatile ingredient is not just a breakfast staple, but a culinary powerhouse. Use it as a base for smoothies, dips, and sauces. Its rich texture and tangy flavor elevate any dish. You can even use it as a healthier substitute for sour cream or mayonnaise in some recipes. Imagine the creamy goodness without the extra calories. It's loaded with probiotics, beneficial bacteria that help keep your gut healthy. These tiny warriors boost your digestion and enhance your immune system. Greek yogurt is delicious on its own and incredibly versatile. From savory to sweet, it fits seamlessly into a variety of dishes, making it a must-have in your kitchen. Let's talk about almonds, shall we? These little nuts are a nutritional powerhouse packed with healthy fats, protein, fiber, and vitamin E. Add them to trail mixes, sprinkle them on salads, or even blend them into almond butter. And if you're feeling adventurous, try making your own almond milk. Right, you lot. Gather around. It's time to talk about spinach, the leafy green that's been fueling superheroes for decades. Spinach is packed with iron, essential for carrying oxygen throughout your body. This means more energy and better overall health. Sauté it with a bit of garlic and olive oil, toss it in salads, or even add it to soups and stews for an extra nutritional punch. You can also blend it into smoothies for a green, nutrient-rich boost that's perfect for starting your day. It's also a good source of vitamin K, important for bone health, and vitamin A, which is great for your vision. So treat this leafy green with the respect it deserves and make it a staple in your diet. Your body will thank you. Finally, we've got chia seeds, the tiny seeds that are packed with a nutritional punch. These little guys are loaded with fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants. Add them to smoothies, yogurt, or oatmeal for a nutritional boost. You can even make chia seed pudding, a delicious and healthy dessert that will satisfy your sweet tooth without derailing your diet. Don't let their size fool you. Chia seeds are incredibly versatile. Thanks for watching. Now you've got a war chest of ingredients to transform your diet into a 3-star culinary triumph. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and delicious recipes. See you next time.